Imagine holding a small, sleek slab of metal that feels impossibly advanced. A device so refined it seems to have materialized straight out of a sci-fi film. There's no trace of clumsy speakers, no visible grills, just perfectly clean lines and a display that pulsates with an almost living glow. Now, picture that same screen not just showing images, but gently vibrating to create sound, as if the entire surface has become the voice of the tablet itself. This sounds like pure fantasy, but the compelling truth is that the upcoming iPad mini could very well be the most forward-thinking small tablet Apple has ever engineered, and once you grasp the sheer audacity of Apple's rumored plans, you might permanently change your perception of compact devices. Subscribe for more informative videos. As I work hard to gather useful information for you, in return you just hit the bell icon button. For many years, the iPad mini occupied a quiet corner in Apple's universe. It was a device that was deeply appreciated but never truly celebrated, useful and loved by its niche audience, but certainly not a flagship showpiece on the grand keynote stage. That era is reportedly coming to a spectacular end, as a rising tide of leaks, analyst reports, and insider whispers suggest Apple is preparing a radical, experimental leap, one that could transform the iPad Mini 8 into an astonishingly sophisticated machine, packed with features no small tablet has dared to incorporate before. Let's dive immediately into what could be the wildest innovation. Apple is exploring an audio system that completely eliminates speaker holes. No dust-collecting grills, no cutouts, and nothing to compromise water resistance. Instead, the entire physical chassis of the iPad will be harnessed to produce sound. This isn't hypothetical. It's a reality based on sophisticated vibration-based audio technology, where carefully placed actuators cause the device's body to vibrate in precise, controlled patterns, generating the necessary sound waves. Companies like Sony have successfully implemented variations of this technology in their high-end OLED televisions. And now, Apple appears ready to condense that magic into a device you can hold in the palm of your hand. Envision yourself watching a cinematic experience on your Mini. A character whispers, and the sound feels localized, emanating directly from the screen's exact center. A vehicle moves across the scene, and you feel the audio seamlessly tracking the movement from one side of the tablet to the other. The sound doesn't simply play. It envelopes you with an immersive quality that seems fundamentally impossible for such a diminutive device. To pull this off, Apple would likely embed microactuators or exciters, either beneath the display panel or strategically within the metal frame, allowing them to independently oscillate different sections of the tablet. This technique facilitates precise stereo separation, true directional audio, and an astonishing level of immersion far surpassing traditional tiny speakers. An immediate benefit is the enhanced durability. With no openings, the device becomes inherently cleaner, more robust, and significantly more resistant to dust and water intrusion, finally giving the Mini a potential official IP rating, which it currently lacks. Achieving robust bass response from a flat surface is technically challenging. Sony addresses this by using small subwoofers situated behind the TV panel, and Apple may employ internal mini woofers or sophisticated digital signal processing to compensate. But Apple is rumored to have another trick up its sleeve: grip-detecting sensors. These sensors would allow the tablet to instantly discern how you are holding it, whether in one hand or two, and dynamically adjust the audio vibrations to prevent your touch from distorting the sound, meaning the audio experience adapts fluidly to you, rather than the reverse. As thrilling as the audio revolution is, the display upgrade is arguably just as significant, as the iPad mini is at long last expected to transition from LCD to OLED technology, a feature fans have been pleading for. This isn't a marginal improvement. OLED fundamentally transforms the user experience. With OLED, black pixels are completely extinguished, yielding perfect blacks, colors that leap off the screen in utterly stunning contrast. Even a static wallpaper takes on the appearance of high-definition artwork. The new panel is expected to be a single-stack LTPS OLED. While some rumors suggest Apple might controversially restrict it to a standard 60 Hz refresh rate, this seems highly improbable given that premium expectations have shifted. Even the iPhone 17 lineup is rumored to feature 120 Hz across the board, and users demand a silky smooth experience. 120 Hz promotion is the perfect fit for the Mini, a mid-tier premium device, and its small screen size actually makes it easier for Apple to optimize power and performance for the high refresh rate. Furthermore, The screen size is rumored to expand slightly from $8.3 inches to approximately $8.7 inches, made possible by trimming down the display bezels. The tablet retains its one-hand comfort and compact portability, but the larger viewing area dramatically enhances the immersion. Paired with OLED, the Mini can feel less like a tablet and more like a glowing, portable window into another world. Since OLED panels conserve power by shutting off black pixels, this could also deliver a noticeable boost of battery life when using dark mode. However, the true powerhouse lurking within this miniature shell is the anticipated performance boost. The iPad Mini 8 is expected to be powered by the A19 Pro chip, the same silicon slated for the iPhone 17 Pro. Built on TSMC's cutting-edge third-generation $3 nanometer process, this chip promises seismic leaps in raw speed, graphics rendering, dedicated AI processing, and overall efficiency. It reportedly includes a $16 core neural engine and a GPU that could outperform the A17 Pro by a staggering factor of up to 3. The practical impact is revolutionary. Superior mobile gaming, lightning-fast creative application performance, deeper integration of advanced AI features, and seamless multitasking. This processing power leads directly to the next major specification. The Mini is rumored to jump to $12/10GB RAM. This is an enormous capacity for a compact tablet, ensuring the device remains exceptionally fast for years, can juggle more simultaneous applications, supports the most advanced Apple Intelligence features, and handles intensive workloads effortlessly. Apple clearly intends for this Mini to be future-proof for the long haul. In terms of design, the Mini maintains its iconic and beloved form factor. Flat edges, a premium lightweight metal enclosure, the familiar Touch ID integrated into the power button, the versatile USB-C port, and full support for the latest Apple Pencil Pro. While it may become slightly thinner and lighter, Apple knows better than to abandon the essence of the Mini. The perfect travel companion. Ideal for immersive reading, serious gaming, extensive note-taking, and comfortable one-handed use for extended periods. Connectivity will also see a bump, with expected upgrades including Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and updated 5G bands. Thunderbolt connectivity will likely remain exclusive to the Pro models, but the enhanced USB-C port is more than sufficient for daily use. The pivotal question remains, when will this revolutionary Mini launch? Some analysts are pointing to a 2026 release, while others caution that the ambitious scope of the upgrades could push it into 2027 if Apple decides to stagger the implementation of features. Historically, Mini updates have been slow, sometimes arriving 3 years apart, but the most plausible window appears to be late 2026, likely aligning with the September iPhone launch. Releasing it alongside the flagship iPhone event makes logistical sense, ensuring this highly advanced device doesn't overshadow a potentially more iterative refresh of the iPad Air. Now, regarding the cost, multiple sources anticipate at least a $$100 price bump, which would set the new starting price around $$$599. While this is certainly not inexpensive, a comprehensive review of the upgrade list, OLED, the advanced vibration audio system, increased RAM, a generational performance leap in the chip, enhanced durability, and a larger screen with thinner bezels, justifies a premium. This is not a modest iteration. It is a full-scale evolution of the compact tablet. So, should you purchase the current Mini or exercise patience and wait? Honestly, if these persistent leaks materialize, waiting is undeniably the smarter investment. OLED alone is a monumental upgrade, and when you combine it with a revolutionary audio system, superior durability, and truly wild performance gains, the Mini 8 transcends the status of a simple refresh. It becomes a premium device that genuinely feels brand new, not just updated, but fundamentally re-engineered in the most critical ways. Apple appears to be using the Mini as a proving ground, a confidential testbed for its most audacious ideas, concepts that could eventually trickle down into the iPhone or the larger iPad lineup. If the vibration speaker system is a success, we might see a future of completely portless iPhones. If OLED performs reliably on the Mini, it becomes a guaranteed standard for more models. And if users fall deeply in love with the Mini once again, Apple will likely pour even more resources into the compact tablet segment. What makes this generation truly unique is not merely the specification sheet. It's a strategic direction. The Mini finally feels like Apple's unambiguous statement that the small tablet is meant to be exciting again, not just convenient, not just cute, but powerful, premium, and genuinely futuristic. A small device that fits effortlessly in your hand, yet possesses the aura of a piece of technology salvaged from the next decade. It's light enough to forget in your bag, potent enough to conquer heavy tasks, and advanced enough to stand out in a homogeneous market of standard tablets. The next iPad mini might very well become the most desirable iPad Apple manufactures, a compact device with a towering personality, a screen that glows, an intelligence that adapts, and an audio experience that sounds like the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.